Okay, class, today is the test. So grab your pencil. I'm gonna pass out to all students. I just hope we get pass. Yup. Oh, I cannot wait to make it food and give to other children. Oh no! Not the food on fire! I had to warn them! Time almost up. Attention student! We got the emergency! We got a fire on cafeteria! Please evacuate the school! Fire! All students, line up and walk to the front door. Oh dear. I think your school may stay out for a while until weather fix up. Oh dear. I guess so. But remember, kid, if the fire on at school, please come down to exit school.